Welcome, future accountants. Today's lesson is about a practical and powerful tool that every modern accountant must understand and use, the accounting software package. This software is one of the most important parts of a computerized accounting system. Whether you are a beginner or have never touched accounting software before, by the end of this lesson, you will know what an accounting package is, why it is used, what it helps you do, how it makes accounting easier, safer, and faster. Let's break it all down in a very simple, clear way. What is an accounting package? An accounting package is a special type of computer software that helps manage all the financial information of a business. It is like a digital office assistant that records all types of financial transactions, automatically performs calculations, prepares reports, keeps accounts organized, stores data securely, connects different parts of the business together, like payroll, purchases, inventory. An accounting package does the work that used to take out hours using pen, paper, and calculators. Now it can be done in just a few clicks. What can you do with an accounting package? Here are some of the core tasks that you can do using an accounting software package. Enter financial transactions. You can input all types of financial data such as sales made to customers, purchases from suppliers, payments made, money received, bank transactions, payroll entries. Generate reports. It allows you to create important financial reports instantly. Income statement, profit and loss account, balance sheet, trial balance, customer or supplier statements, inventory summaries. Manage accounts automatically. The system updates the correct accounts without you having to manually do double entry bookkeeping. For example, if you buy something on credit, it will increase purchases, increase trade payables, record the supplier's balance, all done automatically. Logging in, password protection. When you first begin using an accounting package, the system will ask you to log in using a password. This is for security, to protect sensitive financial information. Different users may have different access rights. For example, a junior staff may only be allowed to enter data. A manager might have full access to view and approve reports. A payroll clerk might only access salary, and employee records. This setup ensures that only the right people can see or change certain types of information. Menu and navigation. After logging in, you will usually see a menu or a dashboard. It might show you options such as enter data, view reports, print invoice, search accounts, update bank records. Modern accounting packages use icons and buttons so you don't have to type commands. You just click, select, and go step by step. Everything is designed to guide you through the process, even if you are not an expert in computers. Example of using an accounting package in real life. Let's say you receive an invoice from a supplier for buying office furniture worth $3,000. Here's what the software lets you do. 1. Click on Enter Purchase Invoice. 2. Select the supplier name or code. 3. Enter the date and amount. 4. Choose the correct expense account, e.g., furniture and fixtures. 5. Click Post or Save. Once done, the system will automatically record the transaction in the general ledger, update the supplier's balance in the payables ledger, adjust the budget or financial reports instantly. This one action updates multiple ledgers and prepares your reports, saving you lots of time and avoiding errors. Benefits of using an accounting package. Let's now look at the main advantages of using accounting software over doing it manually. Speed transactions are recorded much faster. Reports are generated instantly. Accuracy. Automatic calculations reduce double entry is done correctly by the system. Security. Passwords protect financial data. User permissions limit unauthorized access. Storage and backup. All data is stored safely on a computer or cloud. You can back up your data in case of emergencies. Real-time monitoring. You can check balances and reports anytime. No need to wait till the end of the month. Important while the software helps a lot. It only works as well as the person using it. That means You still need to understand basic accounting rules, debit, credit, account types. You must enter correct data. You should know how to choose the right account codes. You must know when to generate and check reports. The computer only follows instructions. You are the accountant who makes decisions. Summary. Key learning points. An accounting package is software used to manage financial data. It replaces manual bookkeeping with a faster, more accurate system. You log in using a password, which controls who can access which parts of the system. The system has menus with clear options like Enter Data or Print Report. It handles double entry, ledger updates, and report generation all at once. It offers many benefits: speed, accuracy, security, automation, and report creation. Final words from your teacher. Learning to use an accounting package is like learning to drive a car. At first, it might seem like there are too many buttons and options, but with practice, you will get used to it. And just like a good car takes you where you want to go, a good accounting package takes your business to financial clarity and success. Would you like me to create a PowerPoint version of this lecture or a step-by-step visual guide showing how a user works inside an accounting package?